Milwaukee, Ryobi, and Festool added new tools to their lineup. These tools offer top-of-the-line functionalities and innovative features that will revolutionize the way you work on your trade. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Milwaukee always strives to bring some efficient solutions for lawn care, and that's why they have added this M18 fuel brush cutter to the lineup. With the power to easily conquer even the thickest brush, lightning-fast throttle response, and a power-state brushless motor, this tool can tackle everything. It can maintain speed in demanding applications. This tool has a versatile string trimmer head and a 9-inch 4-tooth brush cutter blade with an optimized guard design to keep debris under control. The easy load string trimmer head makes it a breeze to switch between trimming and cutting modes, and loading up to 25 feet of trimmer line takes less than 30 seconds. And for those long cutting sessions, the tool includes a comfortable dual shoulder strap harness that reduces fatigue and lets you power through the work. If you're a professional in the utility industry, you know how important it is to have a reliable and efficient set of tools at your disposal. Milwaukee designed this Force Logic 6T latch linear utility crimper to make crimping even more efficient. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, this crimper is the easiest way to make uniform crimps quickly and easily. One of the tool's key features is its inline design and 340-degree rotating head. This design delivers unmatched access to confined spaces and maximum control in multiple orientations. Another notable feature of the crimper is its latched hand that can be easily opened and secured, ensuring that only the intended wire gets crimped. In addition, the tool has an enlarged trigger and dual electronic release buttons that enable both left and right-handed users to easily activate the tool while wearing Class 3 gloves without changing hand position. Every gardening enthusiast knows that tilling the garden is a very time-consuming and physically demanding task. Keeping that in mind, Ryobi made this 18-inch rear tine tiller to make tilting a breeze. You'll be blown away by its sleek design and powerful features. The two brushless motors and counter-rotating tines were unlike anything you've seen before. This tool features some counter-rotating tines that are incredibly efficient and make quick work of the soil. This 18-inch width and 10-inch tilling depth are perfect for professional lawn workers and DIYers. Thanks to its 9-position depth state that allows you to adjust the till to the perfect depth for each section of the garden. Another cool feature is its variable speed self-propelled forward and reverse drive, which makes it easy to maneuver the tiller around your garden. With 4 40-volt 6.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries and 4 active battery ports, you'll be able to use the tiller for extended periods of time without any interruptions. Job site speakers simply boost productivity, but most of the speaker has limitations in the Bluetooth range. So Ryobi has got something innovative for you this year: the Ryobi One Plus Verse Clamp speaker. With the best-in-class Bluetooth streaming range of over 250 feet, you'll never have to worry about losing connection mid-song again. The best part of the speaker is its Verse technology that takes it to the next level. You can connect multiple speakers for an even bigger sound experience without needing an app. With the ability to connect over 100 Verse speakers with up to 150 feet of speaker-to-speaker connection range, you'll have music all around, even on large work sites. This speaker provides continuous runtime of over 32 hours, and the 1 3/4-inch clamp capacity makes it easy to mount the speaker almost anywhere so you can enjoy your tunes in any location. Let's end today's list with an upcoming tool from Festool. The Festool KAPEX KSC60 cordless sliding compound miter saw is the future of power tools. To eliminate the constraints of cords and giving you limitless mobility, Festool is bringing this miter saw. The KSC60 boasts the latest generation of brushless ECT/EC motors, giving it more torque and range than ever before. With meter angles of up to 60 degrees on both sides and an inclination angle of up to 46 or 47 degrees, this saw is ultra flexible and can adapt to any job. Its intelligent dual battery system delivers maximum efficiency and allows for variable speed pre-selection to ensure precision in every cut. But that's not all. The KSC60 comes equipped with a state-of-the-art LED spotlight that transfers the shadow of the saw blade onto the material, giving you a precise cutting line and optimum visibility of the scribe mark. Weighing at a compact design and low weight, this saw is easy to handle and transport to any job site. So these are the tools from Milwaukee, Ryobi, and Festool brought to you this year. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.